grant challenge issued by the University of Texas. How to protect Texas from climate change. Well, over 100 researchers are working together to find an answer. KXAN senior science reporter Eric Henriksen explores the program.
This is the final image, the post-processing.
Amid the glow of giant coastal renderings, UT computer researchers discuss art.
If you have like an extremely hyper-realistic image, it makes people panic.
Madison Russ created these renderings using satellite imagery and LiDAR scans. Similar images will help researchers model how flooding spreads disease following hurricanes.
The hopes is that people start to connect that, okay, this is a problem, right?
The project is part of Planet Texas 2050, an 8 to 10 year project that aims to find climate change solutions.
The idea is that we're producing new knowledge, but doing it in a way that matters to communities and is kind of useful.
Catherine Lieberknecht was the program's inaugural chair. She says Texas is the perfect place to look at issues like climate adaptation and resilience.
We pretty much have every extreme weather system under the sun is happening here in Texas in real time, but we've also done some really proactive thinking about how to bring communities together to address those challenges.
We have these compounding challenges, not just of climate, but also population growth, resource strain.
Program Director Heidi Schmalbach says that uniting people from different disciplines is essential to finding solutions, but doing so requires developing a shared language.
The first few years of this initiative were really about building that shared language, the sharing of different frameworks and the methods that are coming from engineering or planning or the humanities.
Later this month, the program will host an annual symposium focusing on these solutions.
We're actually going to have a proactive approach towards solutions.
Paola Pasalacqua says the event will showcase a variety of research, including climate anxiety and urban planning.
We're trying to understand what to do, recognizing the fact that we have multiple issues to be addressed at the same time, and we got to find strategies that work across the issues that we have.
In Austin, Eric Henriksen, KXAN News.
We really do have just about every type of weather phenomena that can be offered here in our state.
It's so true. It makes sense, right? The Texas 2050 Symposium will begin February 27th. You can learn how to register in this story at KXAN.com.